This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volkswagen Jetta headlight. Replacing a headlight bulb is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself, saving both time and money. First, make sure you have your new bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver ready. Always turn off your car's ignition and open the hood to safely access the headlight area. We'll guide you through each step for a successful replacement. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. You'll typically find a round plastic or rubber dust cap on the back of the headlight assembly. Gently twist this cap counterclockwise and remove it to expose the bulb. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press the small release tab and carefully pull the connector straight off. This provides clear and easy access to the bulb for removal. With the cover and connector removed, you can now access the old bulb. Depending on your Jetta model, you might need to unclip a spring or simply twist the bulb holder about 30 degrees counterclockwise. Once released, gently pull the old bulb straight out. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its base. Never touch the glass. Oils from your skin can cause hot spots and shorten the bulb's lifespan. Almost done. Carefully insert the new bulb into its housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Reconnect the electrical harness to the bulb, making sure it clicks securely. Finally, replace the dust cap by twisting it clockwise until it's snug. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to verify that your new bulb is working perfectly. Great job! You've successfully changed your Jetta's headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.